Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is LovelyAma, and in this video I'm going to show you my update wash day routine. So first of all, we are going to start with an oil treatment. I'm going to separate my hair, touch my hair, separate them and divide my hair into 4 sections. Apply some water on it and then apply the oil. Then I'll cover my hair, and since I was going to work, I'll cover also with a scarf so that I can be able to go to work. So stay tuned and watch the video till the end. Guys, you will see me watching at the other side. It's because I'm having a mirror there, so I'm watching myself there. So if you see me not looking inside the camera and watching there, it's because I have a mirror there.
Good evening, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, I have the singular honor to welcome on stage the one and only Solo 7! Give it up, give it up. Thank you. Thank you very much. Otona mi wa maukutonu obi ara ni wa ukutonu sisa matin wa ukun there is no living no ibawu kama bi mi kama na ranyide yeni wa use na mi te na mi bawu kama bi mi kama ni na ranyide wasem yamasem samiti wunda mi waza mi nyamumbo ndajindo sungu mi wa rechichi mami nichi sweetie taminche mami mohu komobi nkomo yinaranyide me wa peza mahutaba uto ashemi ma me dimi yatin yinama when you just shemi my baby and until don't you break my heart it's not me chin mami mo come be me come you want you say na minche mami mo come be come on you na de wasem yamasem derira dera darira dira no bada de to tararo de ti tu dar de tu tera de tu daruba deriri deriri toraro tito.
So guys, it's the next morning, the next day, and I'm going to wash my hair with my African black soap since I returned back from work to home. In the evening I couldn't wash my hair, so I'm going to do it now. Going to wash my hair, as I said, with my African black soap. And if you've not watched my last videos, yes, like my wash day routine with my African black soap, I will put it up there so that you click on it and go and watch it.
Sweet, it's not me, no come on, be me, come on, you know, run you there. I want pesa, my utaba. Stay with me, oh, stay with me. Solo 7. Mira fupa unyum ne pwe. Mira fupa unyum ne pwe. Mira fupa unyum ne pwe. No. Ma sorry anapa. Mi won't famille. I talk to my no. C'est ma belle mon bois, Literally, what man was seeing me, I want it for be. I won't come at them. I won't come at she. I won't come at
So guys, after I'm done, I'm going to apply my deep conditioner on my wet hair. And guys, my deep conditioner is a mix of some products, hair mayonnaise, the how do we call it, some products. I think I'll show you in my next video so that you guys will know the things I mixed to apply my hair as a deep conditioner.
Oh, yeah. Oh, only one miss and oh, only one is your bucket in my oh, die away. If I was a better me come away, can't send the debit to me, Mammy won't save me. Me to be a sea, put it on my toy. Me to sue, I'm sorry, how do you way? Na 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 na. So free Jamaica, me the American Beko Shanway. Man, I want to. I tell you about to see. Now me share when you are, and no name me or a chichi. Me who and I me won't tell me. How do you? Me the football won't you nip way. Me the football won't you nip way. Adaya woo, na mi prefer woo. Oh, only one me dinner. Oh, yeah. Oh, only one me so die. Only one is your anchor man. Oh, no, God only one me dinner. Oh, only one me dinner. No, God only one me dinner. Only one is your one. God only one is your one. Oh, only one is your one. Oh, yeah. Only one is your one.
So after I'm done, I'm going to cover my hair with a plastic bag. I'm going to use this guys, and I'll wait for 1 hour 30 minutes. And I will wash my hair. I'll rinse it out. So guys, after 1 hour 30 minutes, I'm going to wash my hair. I'm going to rinse the deep conditioner out. And guys, I editing this video, I saw that I've cancelled. I did another video, but I think I've cancelled it. The continue of this video, I've cancelled it. So I'm just going to, maybe I'll post some pictures. So after raising my deep conditioner, I applied my rice water. I covered it for 30 minutes and then I rinsed that one too out, and then I twisted my hair, and the next day I took out the twist out and went to work. So I think I'll just put some pictures of how my hair came out without showing you the process, because I've cancelled the video and I'm so sorry. So guys, that's all for this wash day.
Is that love so strong to send me would Adobaku Hakumam Yenu we are singing now. We do a dancing. Na nenya me. I can't bomb when that day. I am in you forever.
So as I was saying, that's all for the wash day. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share with your friends. Bye. Love you all. Bye bye.
La la la.